beardy beer reviews, and I'm smashing these out just because, yeah, I got a shit ton today. Sorry for swearing. This one's Belching Beaver peanut butter milk stout, coming at 3.3%. Anyway, let's crack this open. Right, I had the what's it? Gone what one? Oh yeah, tailgate peanut butter stout, milk stout. That was freaking gorgeous. Nearly swore again. Anyway, let's pour this out. This definitely right. Nice head. And then we got some black. Sorry about the frog spawn, guys. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, the peanuts are very predominant in this one. Very in your face. But you're getting slight milk chocolate. No coffee like the other one, but that could be a good thing. This could be pure Snickers bar, but this smells more snickery, kind of wafery. Yeah, taste test. Okay, this is more peanut buttery, definitely milk chocolate, and then a coffee like bitterness, but not too overwhelming, but enough. But yeah, this I would say not as good as tailgate, but good enough. And the real pleaser of this one, not me personally, because I didn't have much of the other one, and I'm not going to have any of this apart from the taste. But anyway, it's a good beer, and I'll tell you more about if I think about it more later on. But yeah, cheers.